What is up, guys? JT, Resident Dog Fishing. Not fishing today. Did the maintenance on my gheenoe, changed the lower unit oil, swapped out the engine oil. I'm not going to bore you with that. I've already got a video on how to do that. Go back and check that out if you want to see that. But I started into something. You start with a small area and you gotta go big. So let me show you what I'm doing today. So we're going to turn this into this. So here's what I'm using to cut through the oxidation on it. I'm going to go with turtle wax rubbing compound. And then once I buff that out to protect it, Starbright's marine polish. Quick and simple. So this is the right side or starboard side. This is what I want to try and get out. Some of the oxidation that's starting to occur. This is all just scratches. I don't know how well that's going to come out, but I'm going to buff it and go for it. See how she comes out. Get a lot in there. I've been putting in some serious elbow grease. Hopefully that's got enough cutting power to get through that little bit of oxidation. All right. Let that haze up for a minute and buff it out. All right. It's not bad, it's definitely better. I can still see an area here and an area here. So I'm going to hit that again with the rubbing compound, see if I can get it all the way out.
Are you working today?
Alright, so let's see how round 2 came out. That's a lot better. Viscosity is a lot better. Still a little bit right there, but well, hell, let's just do it again. While I'm doing it, might as well do it, right? Well, you gotta look to really see it, but that's a whole lot better than what it was. Throw some wax on her and finish up the rest of it. This is the area I'm not sure how it's going to come out. There's a lot of scratches from bouncing up against the dock, but we're going to go at it. Yeah, I mean, brighten some of them up, but I really need to probably hit that with like do a wet sand on it to get all the scratches out. But this ain't about buffing it out. This is about cleaning her up a little bit, making her look prettier, I should say. So there it is, man. Nice little spit shine on it. When I first bought the boat, I had to really get into it. I wet sanded it and buffed it because it was really oxidized. Here's a couple pictures of before and after when I first got it. So after that, this was just a quick little shine with some rubbing compound and some wax to shine it up. Let me know what you think of her now. Hopefully I'll be getting out on the water soon, but the weather's coming in and I don't see it happening for a couple weeks with the holidays and everything. But next video on the water, I'm leaving the big rods at home and all I'm taking is a fly rod. I'm forcing myself to learn how to use it. Smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss it. Catch you on the next one.